Oh god, my lens is fogging up. Ah! The clouds are moving fast now.
They're moving that fast that direction.
I don't know if you can see in the screen, but clouds are moving really fast and there's tornado sirens going off. And my lens is really foggy. But it's not raining yet. Just don't get struck by lightning. I know you're tall, Kevin.
I know. I'm keeping my piercings in my mouth.
Why is my lens fogging up, damn it? Oh. Lens keeps fogging up, damn it. Oh, did you see that? Oh, I'm filming this lightning.
Need a lighter.
I am filming this lightning.
Right here, Mom, look. Look at this fucking cloud.
That's a cell cloud. That's what you call a, what do you call those, Josh?
That's what makes a tornado.
No, that's just the, what do you call those, a storm cell? That's a storm cell. My freaking lens keeps fogging up. A cumulonimbus. A
Where the
cumulus
fuck
smoke.
is Mark?
Look at that.
Saying it's near Kellogg now, whatever they saw.
Well, it's not coming
So
towards
that's
us.
the other way.
Kellogg's that way. It's going that way.
Yeah. What's near Kellogg?
Whenever the tornado warning is.
That is
It's
so
not coming
cool.
towards us, so I don't know why we're.
Well, I'm just making precautions because I'm pregnant and we got 2 little boys. And I ain't doing that shit.
2 little boys, who you talking about, Kevin and Dad?
Go through
But
this.
you
You
being
don't
out
got a
here isn't
basement
being
here.
precautious. You're actually, but I could run my ass
This is
in there.
documentary, dude. This is documentary. I'm trying to get some good lightning shots.
Over there, it's like all over
Massive
there.
lightning.
Oh, look how fast that's moving.
Oh wow, this is going pretty fast.
Crazy.
Look how fast those are moving.
You go drive by Greenway and all you see is people fucking sitting outside. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I know, right?
Look at
It's like
that.
fascinating. You don't get
God
that
dang lens. Sorry, Josh.
I haven't seen. We saw something swirling earlier.
Where?
Right over here when we got here, it was swirling. And Lauren's all like, "Fuck this shit." He's scared. You don't know what to do.
Oh, what's all this?
So they can deal with earthquakes, but not tornadoes, huh?
This is so cool. I just want to hear a loud bang from a thunder. That's.
Oh, you're not.
I want to.
I gotta deal with 4 scary people in my house.
I was like, I heard the tornado sound. I was like, I'm done.
No, they shut off for a while, then they come back on.
I didn't give a fuck.
It's gonna be a big storm, though. I want it to rain really hard and windy, and I'm just kidding.
And Yas had to jinx us.
I just want it. Oh, that was
Remember
cool.
earlier?
Oh, you're so scared.
Watch out, babe.
I just want it to like rain. Not rain, but like thunder really loud. And I can catch it on camera.
So we're like pretty much clear.
Does this look clear to you, Abby? Oh, I know, I saw that. I'm filming this way. Speak by our house. I got 18 minutes left on this battery, damn it. What? You should take yours out and do yours, just like a reply. It's gonna rain really hard.
I don't even know. It's not even.
Once you start feeling the... I tried.
Once you start feeling the cold air like you do now, ish. Oh fuck, that was cool.
I tried.
Yeah, now it's starting to get.
It's not hitting.
Now it's starting to get a little windy and cool.
It's not heading towards us. So I don't think it is. Is it?
No, it's by Kellogg now.
See any more storm cells?
Oh god, come on.
We got this one right here trying to come back over.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, you can't see crap, dude. My camera is too foggy. It's too fogged up.
So Lee still has mortars or fire.
He still has mortars?
Yeah. And his friend,
Look how fast those
his
cars
friend
are.
Jacob, the down the street, you know him?
Yeah.
He has like he has $2,000 worth of fire.
Holy shit, that's a lot of fireworks.
Yeah, and we're gonna do that one day. I think Lee said he's gonna set a date for next week.
Okay.
So if you wanna
I
call,
wonder if you can actually hear all this thunder going on in the background on my camera.
probably.
You just hear low rumbles. There's a lot of thunder going on up there.
Why don't we get to rain?
We're gonna have a hellacious fucking storm.
It's not even raining yet. It should rain soon. Oh,
No.
yeah. It needs to rain soon.
You know what's going on?
Fuck over there.
Yeah.
What's going on, Jacob?
What?
It's creating the giant marshmallow man.
The giant cream puff marshmallow man from Ghostbusters?
Yeah.
I love weather.
Alright, I'm going inside with Squad because he's like.
Alright, have fun.
Yeah, seems scary.
The sirens are going off yet again.
They were just being caught.
It's the third time they've been going off. They shut off for a little bit, now they're going back on.
I want to climb a tree.
I'm looking right there to make sure there's nothing there, because those clouds. Whoa, got a bit of rotation there.
Nope.
No, I'm just kidding.
Nope, that's not a tornado. It's just looks like one, but it's not.
That's not one.
It looks like it was trying to make one though.
No, I don't.
Yeah, look at it. Look like it was trying to make one.
Should probably be inside. Oh god, that was bright.
It's not windy.
Look how fast these clouds are moving now.
Why are we so worried about it?
What?
Why are we so worried about
I'm not worried about anything.
it? No, why are you?
There hasn't been a tornado in this town for what, 40-something years? The last tornado in this town hit the middle school a long time, like in the 1980s, 70s, 80s.
So even if there was a tornado, people are going to be fascinated by it. I just felt like a cold breeze. That's bad.
Yeah. There's nothing gonna happen back there. It's all gonna hear. It's all over here. So if you look all the way down there,
Happen that in a flat area.
so this is a tour. If you look up, you'll see. If you look up, you'll see clouds. If you look that way, you'll see clouds. And if you look that way, you'll see more clouds. So looking there is pretty horrible. That way is looking pretty bad. That's by Kellogg. That's the town over where they're getting the tornado now, probably somewhere. But this is a gigantic storm cell. Where are you going? Look at all this lightning. I don't know if you can hear it in the film, but I can hear a whole bunch of thunder going on up there. Oh, dude, that was big. That was awesome. Oh, God, look at that. Look at that down there. I like fireworks, though. Especially the authentic kind. I just like lightning. Lightning is so awesome.
What's wrong with this and go downward? Then you got
Yeah.
I'm a chicken.
Kellogg's getting it done.
Oh yeah.
Really?
And Rock Creek.
It's going right to
They said there's one on the ground about 9 miles north of us.
That way?
Uh-huh.
There's like no clouds down that way, though.
But it is saying 9 miles north.
go right over.
So apparently there's one that way. I bet you there's a tornado right there. It's just we can't see it. I got 3 minutes left on this.
Oh no.
But there's no way, because it just said 12 minutes left
Oh,
on
right,
it.
no, right down there.
Yeah, because
That's so cool.
Whose phone did I be? Did you find my phone?
yeah.
Look at all this, like right down there. That dark area is the storm cell.
What is that? Nothing. Looks like one.
No, it's not. My camera can see it way better than your eyes can. See, it's nothing.
I haven't even got my glasses on.
If there's a tornado, I'm not gonna be able to see it because there's 2 minutes left on this damn thing.